Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I am so excited to finally be opening the November IPSY box, otherwise known 4 times a year as the Icon box. I can't wait to open and see what's inside. Okay, I'm going to put on the reading glasses. And first thing I see in this box is the brochure. It's the Natasha Denona edition. Ooh. And of course, if you are subscribed to IPSY, you will get with the icon box this lovely colorful brochure. One palette, infinite possibilities. Oh, I wonder if that palette is in there. We'll see. How are you today? I hope you all are doing well and staying hydrated. It's always good to check in, especially now as we're getting close to the holidays. All right, so let's see what's in this box of wonder. I'm just going to pull it out as I see it. The first thing I see in here is from Dr. Jart, and this is the Ceramidin. Is this for the eyes? Skin barrier, moisturizing eye cream. Like I said, I'll just pull it out and I'll indicate here whether it's part of the box or if it was an add-on. But so excited. Definitely like the eye cream. I haven't been sleeping well lately, so my eyes need all the help and assistance that they can get. The next thing I see in here is from Lith, and this is the soft fill lip pencils. Oh, it's a set. What? You want to see it? Let's see. Now, speaking of lips, my mouth, it's splitting, as it does every year without fail. It's like an annual routine. It's an annual ritual. As much as I try to fight it and apply lip mask at night and put on lip balm in the morning, it is what it is, unfortunately. Very defeatist line, but the truth. The next thing I see here is these two little things. Okay. I just want to see. Oh, okay. Oh, and it twists. It twists? I don't know. Oh, this top part. You hear the click? Oh, so you have to click something here at the bottom in order for this to activate and pull out. So I don't smell anything, which is good. That's the color. No scent. And it's creamy. I don't think I've ever heard of this line before. Let's see what the other one does. Again, you have to click it. The click is from here. Let's see. This looks slightly more brown. This looks more slightly, this seems more, do you notice the difference? If I'm going to fool myself, one is cool and one is warm. This seems more reddish, this seems more brownish. You tell me in the comments below what you think, or am I just fooling myself? Okay, the next thing comes in this lovely little nondescript box. Ooh, this reads pastel. Ooh, let's see, glow highlighter. I wonder if this is Natasha Denona's. Could be. Okay, it is. Ooh, look at that lovely, sexy packaging. And trying not to put any fingerprints on it, but do you see how sexy that is? It is. One of these days, I'll figure out how to make it that your fingerprints don't transfer on it. And I'm opening it now. Look how pretty. The camera doesn't do it justice. On my end, it appears kind of slightly purplish. I don't know how you see it on your end, but it's embossed with her initials. That's the other thing too, when you have things embossed that as you use it, the letters fade. But look at the color payoff. Put that right there so you can see. Oh, It's like a gold. For some reason, it's also giving me a purplish cast. At least on my end. Oh, wow. That is, I love highlighter. And it has a little mirror. You just peel that off. But you see her initials? Love it. Love it. It gives a total luxe experience. And it's not that heavy. It looks like it could be heavy, but it isn't. The next thing I have is from Bisha. And I think this is a repeat because I got this in my last box, I believe. And these are lip pencils, I believe. Essential. No, these are for the eyes. Essential Eye. What? Okay, this is different. The last that I got were lip pencils. This is for the eye. Okay. All right. So it came with a plastic covering, which is nice. It tells me that it's been properly sealed. I don't have to worry about, you know, anybody getting into it inadvertently. Okay, so these are the duo eyeliners. So this will be interesting. Do you see that there? Oh, yes, thank you very much. I love, some people would prefer some other applicator, but I don't mind liquid eyeliners that are like this. Not at all. Let's see. So that's the brown one. Love, love, love. Brown is not as harsh as black. And the next one here is probably black. What do you think? We'll take a wild guess. Yes. Nice. And it goes on smoothly. Can't wait to incorporate that. Although I love color, brown is my usual go-to, or gray, because black can come up a little harsh for people with, at least for me, for red hair. Black is a little intense. The next thing I have in here is from Living Proof. Yes, love, love, love Living Proof. And this is their leave-in conditioning spray, which I hardly need because my hair is mood hair, as I've discussed on this channel numerous times. And the weather, now that it's getting colder, is sapping whatever is left of any kind of moisturizing element. It's just taking it out. So as the weather gets colder, this is definitely going to be used. I can't wait. This is a leave-in, so it'll bring my curls back to light. Like right now, my curls are not even there. Suggestion of body, but basically no. Right. The next thing I have in here is from Natasha Denona herself again. And this is the High Glam Concealer. Oh my goodness, am I finally going to be able to try out her concealer? This way, okay. So let's see. Right now, for some reason, I'm seeing everything upside down. Weird. I just saw an episode of a show called Brilliant Minds, where one of the people featured, the disease of the week, was that she mysteriously was seeing things upside down. And yeah, boy, I hope I'm not highly suggestible too, because that would kind of not be great. Ooh, sexy. What does this remind me of? A similar packaging for another, like Rare Beauty, I think has similar packaging to this. Only their nib is made of like metal, so it's nice and cool when you apply it to your delicate areas around the eyes. But yeah, it has similar packaging. That's interesting. And again, this is Natasha Denona. I can't wait to try this. I'm probably going to do a test between this and Rare Beauty to see which one lasts longer. I'm pretty sure it's moisturizing, but look for it in an upcoming video. The tone looks about right. Let's see. Ooh. What is this? Mysterious. This is from Persona. Persona. Yes, I've heard of this brand, Persona. I think I've tried a couple of their things before. This looks like a mascara, perhaps. Let's see. I'm pretty sure it is. What color is it? First, I like to do that. And okay, it's taken a bit. Ooh, a little goopy. Suction's really strong on this. Okay, it is mascara, obviously. Like the brush, it looks interesting. It's not a bend. It has a slight bend, but not as bendable as it could be. Hmm. Maybe I'll give a try out on that. I haven't done a mascara one in a while. Does it have a scent? No, it does not. It smells slightly like glue, but other than that, it doesn't have a scent. Finally, another nondescript box. Whatever shall but whatever shall it be? I wonder. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, description: the Yucca palette. Oh my goodness! It gives the names that are sitting in the palette. Yeah, this is slightly raised, which is interesting. And this looks like it's kind of like off the beaten path. I don't think this is going to have the traditional colors of brown and black, but I could be wrong. Like earth colors, if it's yucca, I'm expecting it to be more like green and yellows. And then based on the packaging too, I'm kind of cheating, but we'll see. This is what the packaging looks like. Beautiful. And in the back, it has these little dots on. I don't know if that has to do with the packaging or how to keep the little containers of each color in place. And there's the label. All right, this looks serious and it feels really smooth. It has a little bit of weight, a little bit of heft to it. So let's open it and see. Oh, I'm excited. This is not your typical eyeshadow palette at all. And of course, the mirror is here. I just have to take this off. I think I am inspired to do an upcoming video featuring this lovely palette. I see some shimmers in there. I'm loving it. And I see some mattes in there. The colors are, again, off the beaten path. They're not your typical all browns and maybe a gold here and a black. This is definitely different. I like the color scheme and I understand it. I can't wait. Okay, I'll play with this and then we're going to do a video. Definitely. I haven't done one. Oh, I can't wait. I'm so excited. Now, sometimes some of these palettes have a scent. Not Natasha Denona so much, but no. Awesome. Just the palette itself, the packaging smells a little plasticky, but other than that, it has no scent. So, what did I think? Is that it? I think that's it. So, what did I think of the November icon box from IPSY? No complaints. Something for my hair, which I desperately need. Something for my skin, my under eyes, which I love. Eyeliners, you can't go wrong. Mascara, okay. And just a little bit of a taste of Natasha Denona's line. I am very happy with what I've got. It is very practical. I could put a full look in. The only thing that I seem to be missing is something for the lip, because everything ties in with the lip. And seeing that my lip right now is on strike, it would have been nice to either have gotten something since it's this close to winter and we're already way into fall here in the United States on the East Coast. It would have been nice to have gotten something for protective for skin barrier, especially for places that are more sensitive to the elements like the lips around the mouth. So that's the only thing that I would say, But other than that, I love some for the hair. I can't wait to dive in with these products. What do you think? What did you get in your IPSY icon box? And did you note the recent change that now BoxyCharm, the name is no more and everything is just going to go under IPSY? It was inevitable. We all knew it was coming, but it was nice that they allow the BoxyCharm name to continue for at least a little while. I will miss BoxyCharm, but I know that BoxyCharm is also in good hands with IPSY. So I'm honestly thrilled with what I received. Again, let me know in the comments below, what did you get? What did you see in my unboxing that interests you, that you didn't get, that maybe you would like for me to try out and experience and show on camera, which definitely I'm going to be showing some things here. I'm really delighted. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup unboxing. So excited to dive in, and I hope to see you on my next video. Stay safe, stay hydrated, and have a good one. Bye.